Hello kids, welcome back to mathematics class of standard 3. This is the part 3 video of the lesson shapes. In today's session you will be learning about tiles, tiling and non-tiling tiles, solving the exercise problem. Tiles. Kids, you might have seen many type of tiles in your house. Have you noticed the difference between your house tile and the others? You see many different types of tiles in the showroom. In today's session, you will be learning about the tiles. Here is the pattern given in your textbook. So, this is arranged in pattern. We can also arrange this triangle shaped tiles in different patterns. Now let's get to know how to arrange the tiles in a different ways. Students, see here, I am arranging the triangle in a diamond format so that this forms a new pattern of the tiles. So the triangle has been arranged one below the other in this format. This forms a new pattern. See here, now a new pattern of the tile is being created. We can also arrange this triangle form tiles in the opposite sides so that will make a new pattern. Tiling tiles. Tiling tiles means the tiles which covers the whole place of the floor without the single gap is said to be the tiling tiles. Whereas the non-tiling tiles means which has the gaps between the tiles. See, here there is an example for the tiling and non-tiling tiles. Whereas the tiling tiles covers the whole area of the tiles and no space is left as shown in the non-tiling tiles. Now let's solve the exercise problem. Exercise 1.2. Here they have given the pattern and they have asked us to complete the pattern as shown in the figure. So I'll be solving the first pattern and the second pattern is your homework. Now let's solve the first pattern. Now what we are going to do is we are going to complete the pattern as shown in the figure. See what we are going to do now? We are going to draw the triangle towards the right side so that the pattern will get completed. So this is how we are going to complete the given pattern. So in this same way you are going to solve the second problem as given in the figure. Second main activity. Here they have given different shapes. You are going to draw the shapes each 10 pieces and with the help of the elders cut the shapes properly and keep it aside. Then separate the shapes which fit properly and which do not fit properly. Students, see here, now I have drawn the shape and I'm going to cut into pieces so that we can arrange them as a pattern. Students, see here, I have made two different types of shapes. I'm going to arrange in this box in order to check whether the pattern which I have cut gets fitted in this box or not. If it doesn't fit, you have to mark in red color. If it gets fit, you have to mark green in color. I am taking this shape. Now let's arrange and see whether this shape get fitted in the given box or not. So here I am arranging the shapes one after the other. Let's check whether this gets fitted in the tile box. So see here kids, I have arranged them one after the other, but still there is some more space left in the tiles. So this shape doesn't fit in the tile. So you have to mark this shape in red color. The next is of the shape with S. So like the previous one, I am arranging the shape S one after the other. So here it is clear that this S-shaped tile doesn't fit in the box. There are so many spaces that is being left in the tiles. So this kind of tiles is said to be the non-tiling tiles. Students, like this only you are going to do this activity with the help of the elders. Here is an activity for you kids. Now let's join the dots and construct the required shape. So here they have given an example of kite and they have mentioned how many straight lines and how many curved lines they have used to draw the kite. Now let's join the dots so that it makes a square. I have joined totally 4 dots which made a shape of square. So how many straight lines are here? There are 4 straight lines which I have used to draw the square. You can also draw any other shapes as you wish. The second problem is to join the dots and construct the following shapes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the given dots and I'm going to draw the leaf by joining the dots. See here, I have joined the dots and I have drawn the leaf. Here, how many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So totally there are 5 straight lines in the drawn figure. And how many curved lines? 1 and 2. So there are 2 curved lines and 5 straight lines. Now let's draw the star by joining the different dots so that now I got a star. In the same method, you have to draw the flower by joining the dots. Tangram means it is of a riddle. In ancient days, the Chinese people used the different type of shapes to prepare the animals, birds or any other objects. So these pieces or the shapes are said to be the tangrams. Students, this is the impression of the image which is given in your textbook. So I have drawn the shapes according to the figure with reference to the textbook. After drawing this, what I have done is I have cut them into different shapes and I have shaded them. So now what we are going to do is we are going to arrange them and make it as an object. Now what I have done is I have taken the first shape, then arranging the third shape next to that. After that, taking the second shape and arranging it, and the fifth shape, last comes the fourth shape. With these shapes of a tangram, a bird is being made. So students, make different type of objects using the tangram. Now let's solve exercise 1.4. The first problem is construct different shape using the pieces 2 and 3. I am taking the tangrams which I have made already and now I am going to arrange them in a format. You can also arrange them in different formats. Students, second problem is your homework. Now let's solve the third problem. Students, here they have given a shape and they have asked us to name the number of the shapes. This shape resembles the number 1. So the first shape is the triangle. The second is the quadrilateral. The third is the triangle again. So far you have learned about what is meant by shapes, what is 2D and 3D shapes, how the shapes can be made using the different dots and connecting them, and also we have made many different shapes using the tangrams. This is all about the chapter shapes. Until we meet in next class, keep learning the concepts that have been taught to you.